And as the two fighters start their engagement, we're going to hear two voices. One of them is that of the famous RAF fighter pilot of World War II, Richard Hillary, who started flying Spitfires with number 603 Squadron during the Battle of Britain in the summer of 1940. Having claimed 5 Bf-109s shot down in the space of just a week of combat, plus 2 probables and 1 damaged, Hillary, on the 3rd of September 1940, was shot down from separate operational training unit at Charter Hall in Scotland. Air correspondent Charles Gardner.
Of my machine, I felt an empty sensation of suspense in the pit of my stomach. For I knew that morning I was to kill for the first time. And I was being strapped in, my mind automatically checking the controls, and we were all. With 109, about 100 feet above us. Our squadron strength was 8, and as they came down on us, we went into line of stern and turned head on.
Another fight going on. Where? No.
I kicked the rider to the left, beginning with right hand. Turned the gun button fast. Let go in a 4-second burst, pulled the second. He came right through my sight, and I saw the tracer from all 8 guns thud home. For a second he seemed to hang motionless.
I can't go on. No. It's a bit deceptive.
My first emotion was one of satisfaction. Satisfaction of the job that we adequately done. That's the final logical conclusion of months of specialized training. Then I had a feeling of the essential right of it all. He was dead, and I was alive. It could so easily have been the other way around, and that would somehow have been right too. I realized at that level just how lucky if I dignity.